everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad you took some time out of your day to spend with me. My name is Veronica, and I make videos to motivate mamas and homemakers with all things cooking, cleaning, and decorating. If you like cleaning videos or mama content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell to make sure you don't miss any of my future videos. I would love for you to be a part of my internet family. Today we are going to be tackling my very dirty kitchen and resetting my house so it's nice and clean for the next morning. If you like this content, make sure to hit that like button, the one that looks like a thumbs up down below. As you can see, we have quite a pile up in the sink, and every inch of my counters were covered with stuff. I normally would do a much better job about keeping up with the mess throughout the day, but today I spent the day snuggling my baby girl a little extra. I am absolutely cherishing every moment with her, especially when I can take it easy and relax. Sometimes it's better to be in the moment than having a clean house, so if your home is a little messy today, please make sure to give yourself just a little bit of grace because you're doing an amazing job. I have to thank my friend Elizabeth for that wonderful reminder because I was getting pretty down on myself. Mamas, tell me down below, what is your favorite memory from when your babies were really little? I am just soaking up all of these extra snuggly moments with her. I like to begin my nightly routine by doing the dishes. So I'm starting off by emptying out the dishwasher, and then I'm going to fill it right back up with the dirty dishes that are in the sink.
Kept us bothering. Every day we dance and life's been smiling. We're not young, still drunk in love. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you.
Next up, I'm going to hand wash the items that can't go into the dishwasher. And I'm washing the top of the pressure cooker, a strainer, and a pot here. To wash them, I'm using that Xoxo stainless steel refillable scrubber. Now I love this because it's super durable, and you can actually order replacement brush heads on Amazon. So I don't end up having to buy a new one all the time. I just refill this one with soap and get a new brush head about every 3 months.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you.
Before I move on to the counters, I am going to quickly clean out the sink. I'm actually just using some Mrs. Meyer's dish soap to do this, and then I'm going to take care of all the baby teethers, some toys, and her sippy cup. And for that, I'm going to use Dapple soap and the Xoxo baby bottle brush to make sure all of her items are nice and clean. Then I'm going to place them to dry on the Boone bottle drying rack. I like to make sure that I give all of her teethers a really good clean every day. She uses them all day long. Her teethers are her must-have accessory. And now we are moving on to the counters and the stove. I'm starting off by cleaning off the stove and spraying it down with the Method Heavy Duty Degreaser and letting it sit while I clean the countertops with the Daily Granite Spray.
'Cause no one makes me feel like you do. You make me race. Yeah, no one makes me feel like you do. I promise that I will stand by you forever, and I won't waste this.
After letting it sit for about 3 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and wipe down the stovetop. I'm using a paper towel to get all the grease and any food crumbs that are on there picked up, and then I'm going to spray it down again with the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray as well. Using that same granite spray, I'm going to clean the remaining counters.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing into the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder.
To finish off the kitchen, I'm going to go ahead and wipe down the kitchen table using the Method Daily Wood Cleaner. I'm so obsessed with this stuff. It smells like almonds and it just makes me so happy. At the same time, I'm also going to clean the baby's high chair. I spray it down with the vinegar solution and wipe it down just with a paper towel each night, just to make sure that any dried food or anything is taken care of and not there for the following day.
Loud, love,
The last thing I do before heading upstairs is wipe down the baby's toys that she uses each day. I'm using that same vinegar solution that I was talking about earlier. I really like this cleaning solution for her toys, specifically her walker and her jumper. If you'd like to see how I made it, make sure to check out my Get It All Done video. I'll link it up in the corner as well as in the description box for you.
kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder.
This is
a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife, and I can feel.
And that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed seeing how I reset my home each evening before I head upstairs and unwind. If you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up button for me. It tells YouTube that you like my content. If you're interested in more mama motivation, please be sure to check me out over on Instagram at soveryyveronica. I hope you all have an amazing rest of your day. Bye!
Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were